Young contractor near the good.
Your contract and daily graphic or see Easter goals developmental. Last week, a story I mean, so follows that story now. Say, as a yes, you and in the sorry,
yeah,
I yes, solemn mood, solemn season, you know. They say activities are entertainment, no, that's the story that we did. And we name say, daily graphic Bapo, and as almost the same ideas. I dream maybe an about with him. It's your matter, or see religion takes back seat as tourism, community promotion, brands take over. Who say yes, sorry, no. Kejaya wada de chi Yesu amane hunu efiada ye kobo na se dweme ne Roman fo bi mu dua kontu mebu kutudwama ukutudwa nim nyina bobo mpunkunya na odidi mu anti efiada na Yesu awu no uhia obi a moi ko si memene da nwumre ko se bonfire na ye de atwe Yesu sorry no but say no we activities e wo ye airwaves ye promote to social media no ne ade a Easter convention nkrofo ye de but any fans to say the course work,
the course work, the course work.
Any fans to say the course work, what I say, it's an Nsem na the Bocrate Yatro. Okay. And now Omanhene so I promise to be a woko. I'll say business forum. I'll say I will improve road network to ease traffic in Ko. Good. Also, better say, Obama Quano. Now, road network, Nanya Papa. Babine, Asaka Honesa, Babine, Babisuye. It's a grand year, a yakakra. Okay. The those times, about 15 years ago now, Yakoko now. Sabre no Munya at the side of the road, no now, Befampre, Gradin Yankopo. Of any ultimate traffic so from Beponaya on one, ever be Drusono. Maybe I owe almost 12 hours. They say grade but or say obe try say obeye na akọ animu na big push benefits side chicks as such as say the daily guide any one Omanhene ne kai say empenifo baby say enkwan ye da eta no se bi no oh baby o ti say oh my goodness na the o kire mu nyina Omanhene tie nyina ne say big push no contract de ma contractor for no why impuntuma na eno nso hu sika ne de aben ti contractor we adwuma ne ntem na ye tue sika na ma contractor sika ba ne butum also obeto ne lankrusa obepon kakra obeto na adwuma efo ka sebe odobro ni bi otebe bi so e be jana ka credit man pay ye guy oni what's up na enye nsem nyina ne ka so ba o say obedi man pay na wani yeah, Omagana for bread. Yes. Also, you'll be so many man paying now. Yeah, when it's Omagana for bread. Because I dear crab many jabba crowd. Now, I do Anna the refuge the late Adjei John Rollins. What's that? Do say I do officer or a shaman paying or shaman paying or channel crowd is a guy named guy named Boom. I don't know, starting friend, Your Excellency. And you won't seem that or the co share it to do. Nana, then one says, no, I feel one way is best. I feel ways best after the 90s. I feel when you're clear of this in the air. What sugar body? And that's it. Oh, who are not what sanity is. Yeah, Bishop. Anything we no na was say we are Ghana ni now so be diamanyo say mo tikakra usuemu nyansa sempanimfo na wo te sebe ekura bi ase ebo mo ho atwede ye nya na fa ba bo bitrim re no mo di star yes o mo di on efe papa on efe me monitor mo nyina shoes no omo nyina shoes ne jawo me monitor ne to nya ba bia se shoe na akore na se anyi kwa so mo shoes e to awe obi ade gina so kama there's a more issue to our problem. That's how you shoe. On me, Bempajasi. Now to be talking, not talking, Harry. Not say that one and what talking, they were Taz. Mammy Kwoni, a young Gubia or Tom Casna, or say Dominic, Mekasa, and Mammy Kwoni, Penny, or dinner power. Say, yeah, Matisse was down for no mine. Mr. Baby, catch and said, oh, yeah, no. Call for your Bob Rapa. This is a open lawyer friend. I'm say a crowd to be crew my half. One more crew be a day. I'm saying, hey, Pamela, I've really to 3 years. Now, Kwabena, said ye, Eja, Ode, Ko, any moon, any idea at today. Say, Co business forum, also, Emma Bank of Ghana. governor ekopi ho no so highlight
well answer na be kokko business firm so no one e ko adwumafo akese ko nyina titru akese go omo yire no yemfa we emom why daily guys say oh my goodness
deliver value or face sanctions
one e ka say
we get found penny oda no ye apology and also get found sika no Ampofo to na ye titia a chese ye de esum enti unia ye ma contract at get found na hwese obeye adwuma no according to the value of the money
eno so yasemu
enti sa
contractor for
obeni kroma ye nya contractor for hwe
kroma ye contractor for
enti no mo ye de omo pe no hwe me na mi swakakra ena interbeting for ye mampon ekwan
what would you interbeting limits bow ana Arab contractors interbeting limits bow ana Kasajan
yes atam former president
I think most of your kwan achiche nyina na that group of people no na am ye kwan do na
suhum tukofodua kwan me fa so eni 4-5 years ni ayesa kwan enne sa akwa sa kwan so
ninya atutu
nipa na gisika ni kofie enti ne du tembi amanyofo ne ye bom mutiri so se sa favoritism ne ya so se ne ho keka ya monhwe ne ye no man na mbo ye ka obani one the last time I kwa bruchire ekofa akwan bi so a o sa akọ back na kwan na tutu mi bi sa o utu kwan da be na akọ bruchire fa akwan bi so sabe ekwan na defuo mu kra na eta hote da be na akọ fa bi so a o sa akọ back in 2 years or 3 years kwan na tutu
what's the challenge
yes adwuma na many people betimi aye yadamfo party chairman hwan oni zilt about ekwan yie etiripa no enya akwanya no agye no so pe ba defo lebrafo no mo akwa eni apete so etu beko beba no ye ka sika de 1 kilometer of road ekire wo kruma na wo beko beba na kwan na sesa na kwabrane agye ho nte ho no de akwakosi dan no otim
but very worrying no it me no we are going to say your contract for honom name any contractor for papa ono ye yakwan sisi adan maye
ye papa wo ho enso papa no ye mfa adwuma ne ma no ye de bema no so kra na se ye de ma no nipa no de bema no na ntwia na ka nwia de obeba no ehun ne se oni nafa tisika no kra won twia ne biem
oni nafa
kwa fa so twia contractor
oni nafa
udi enimu a ye ma wo
oni nafa
se ye campaign wa me support a na je se wo kra oni afa ntu sika akamu ebekam na onipa no wo starve na obeda ntimi ato adwuma papa na wo
enti na nei nipa dodo na no clock for di mutintima omo ye adwuma without conditions of service nti ekwa ye ko test keta ne pro na ekwa eti ene teacher ni acha de ko 2 years ntu an ka keta edo emfa
kwamna me nkyere wade yen ye be fa to he so a yen ko eye registrar general office yen ko hwe companies register between 2012 to 2016 ni en show mo e call dormant between 2016 to 2024 na sa between 2016 to 2024 young companies so register within that time from 2025 equally almost so called dormant na 2025 equal to 2028 young other registrations so aye
wow
it's yet then na omanya aye chichire no within a space of maybe 3-4 years yet minya a lot of companies springing up after 4 years 8 years no munyina sa called dormant na for frasa springing up.
It is a circle now.
Oh, come on. Aba ko register company na ye hwese be nya bibia mawa. Ti de be ma ono. Se wo hunim de so ni hunim de obi no nya ma wo. Ye ko yanim. Yo issue. Ye nyina ni no kure ma ye ho.
Yo issue.
Yeah.
Ye nyina ni no kure.
Ye nya se de ye ho beto ye. Enko an ye no.
Okay, so for the overseer, the overcraft na hwede wani me.
The overseer, but inside the area me bie no me mo no so ansa. Na was hit Goldfields. Na ene ye de ama collateral. Na open can story na reho. A company just about some few months ago, ye so mba be an investment of about $500 million. Ene omo no be say investment no. Omo de Bogoso Prestea Mines no ama another company
akusia wa
for $65 million. Obi ono no yeso de $500 million e ba be share company mu Prestea Bogoso Prestea Mines onu mom the company na kosia wa company na omde ekosia wa mo no ni din mpo we wa ha trafigura minim manya di ne right trafigura
omde akosia
wa $65 million into almost $500 million investment na mo so me na we kwamna meti we no abeka kire me say Adom FM adwuma yi me metimi ayi ni yie na me pese me de $500 million ba be shim ni adane amawo ni kire bi na wo de Adom FM akwakosia wo akwakoje $65 million o ti scenario na yade a emu bon pa anti me hu so mo de yera amabo a or one politician me respecting the power because of the passion ne they will see emotional about him maybe but ade we there onhwemu ye
okay yeah better ba ya ma papa ntina se ono so ba fa ngo nsem aso onim de
come dey the hawk newspaper Osei Dr. Ampofo talks over declining oil reserves reserves yes ye fa mo ne wo no etotia na etie so no mentias ye papa
energy expectation
se so na e ba so de a na de e wo se ye hwe ye ho ne bisa ye ho sa anye bia no nyankopon twedi amponde dum ye no ade papa ben ade suo ben ene e dia ya e bia se nchirima na meto oyo na e betimi de ensa ate so se o twedi ampon nyankopon de ade we dum ye yu na ade se ne yesu ade ye
okay
omani nyine di so mfa
so ewura poku beboa na onim de esi na no da me so o chiro be se ni din no ye kan wasema ye nkan ye ndi din ye de ankaza
kojo
nsafua onya problem kojo nsafua poku eti kojo nsafua poku e wa ha na my first question is except fantasy to ashintuabo mana driver for chombo mana
mpacho driver for no ya no muntu ombo asekakra ye sha price ne be ba form na no o mante so e ko ka so obonte so no muso onye petrol nko na ye ade ye de tubo e de nyoma bi hwemu ansa ye atubo enti se petrol na kosra say omo enya adwobre kakra say in the coming weeks depending on baby ba kudru no bia diesel no kotra 18-19 cities on there maybe the Ministry of Trade between Omatransi near share price number for now the omo
but obrebre wasoasia aban e de hye bi gu akwema obekushia kakra na
the minim matisia say cabinet emergency meeting be bebaso the options are buying work to do the cushioning maybe a one city no the balance ya maybe no between a year free so maybe a price stabilization and recovery levy 14 cities on petrol 16 pesos on diesel 14 pesos on petrol and so between a to share be no be 121 city 20 pesos
1 city 20 pesos
really 1 city 20 pesos but no so share the next window I be kumua the price increase ebeba no it will absorb
ebe piano to baby
piano sa 120 to baby
asama America ubetime yi
1 city 20 pesos
I didn't say ebema yi awe ni kra nya significant bi
enti no me dem feel say aban ne pese ohwe bibia on hwe say de be ya yibenya biato me no me fear de bia be amako bia maka ne say availability important say ye be ko ne bi wo ho ne bo ene ohwe nkuro bi so a omo demonstrate because omunya bi nto
yes
ye nya bi to ne bo dimpo a ye be hwe de be ko e bia pon adwuma na bia nkofi na ba ko for adam fi ho a pon bia be kofi esku
MPSA or 7 weeks
you see 7 weeks 7 weeks see MP en odafuo e na sa nyoma no mi en fa no MP en odafuo private companies en odafuo MP de ono ne de ni say oye what is called a lekan no nhihyeya ye de ma ships ne ba ebe offload products no intene MP lekan from May till June and no ye hu say from May 1st 2nd 3rd sa akopema de bosumi bisi no ship we neighbor ship company we dey for labor internoma ye e bedru ona nipa nya product ne ba fine e dru na wanya bi amba asem wo ntimi mi feel say ebo ne de it is out of our control because it's out of our control because we sharp on say de na uko internet so ko hwa eno no enye enebu eno ne ye 3 months to come bo because if it be futures trading no omo ye 3 months ahead until the refineries no edge no de omo etono January February no ene no omo ji because o order ahead. The prices no in February was low, so the actual impact of the fuel prices has not hit us in Ghana yet. Yes, no, I'm being honest. The actual, the reality, because still future no one thing.
Say I didn't try $110 per barrel.
And $110 per barrel no delivery in maybe June. And the delivery now what has is here and any panel ton be at 60 80 no 110 there now will be a ton ahead no and we be delivered in June. It is our born
and 17.
Thank you. But you see, here is something called the premium. You see, crude oil is not how we use to price local products. Premium, you're afraid be ex refinery. Ebia Tamayo refinery and Kaya Juma, Nanka Wako, Nanka Ebia, and the century.
How can say Juma?
Juma. Busa almost says a Tamayo refinery, Juma. How many products they free waba?
And Juma.
Media me say, Minia, say almost a Tamayo refinery, Juma.
Thank God, Tamayo refinery is back.
Minia, a simple question. Oma Miko Fu. Yes, you are my Osiwaba. No siabo yenso buchia. Si aso buchia na adwane be na wo mame anoa. Simple question.
Oh we. O mame we.
Yembusa wo you can call that okay, most Tamayo refinery adwuma. What product has come out of Tamayo refinery? Just ask that simple question. Products very free waba. None, zero. And say meka Tamayo refinery adwuma. Me can say about you come now. I just say about a very simple question. Yes, plant no yeah, refurbishment. Refurbishment. Almost say a soft plant, no. Plant and say it. No, I can say what's something why idea. Then say it. The problem I'm plant in the doom say there was no crude oil. They never saw plant, no. And they also was on fine. Crude oil ben now refining. Products now refining and they were here. A simple question. To my maker. Say Oko X refinery now. X refinery may be at 10 cedis. Obi so okay 10 cedis per metric ton, but the premium no a 20 cedis. Into all price here 10 plus 20. Until over before the war no, now premium on petrol and diesel no, was about $45. And the premium led to $180 per metric ton. And no near the price downstream, the minimum no tower go on star no. Idea ebema premium na kosoro is non-availability of products. Say products ni bini honaka kakrebi. Say the administrator for Hormuz no control 20% of world oil. Say refineries ni be enya products. That means there's less refined products coming to the market. When there is say yenya dodo ema o ensu obi aso a kakra na yebenya no e wo say a price war. We bid it now we bid it.
But bisa openi wa kwaye expert o Safield no. Ye oil like use kuma ye fan no. E fan ye free.
Ye fan go say petrol diesel na crude oil.
E fan dodo na ye
dodo na free Amsterdam, Europe
never. Oh okay.
Dodo na free Europe.
Free Middle East Africa.
Middle East in the omo no. Nyoma e go on mostly ko Asia.
Okay.
Most of the refineries in Dubai they go to Asia, and most of Russians refinery goes to Asia. Also Asia, also China, India, Neymar, and all those countries. There are quite a number. Oh yeah, say 18. Say yeah products they are mostly even Dangote krana or ya ranu heyano. Dangote products no ABI be depending on maybe auto free because yeah no ye free be bulk distribution company.
Here are some for Mesa Bogoso Prestea.
Okay.
Of
yeah bro.
Fisher Pamso me ton kana chepa na mejini se boko de
ya ho ye wawradem
ya kenkan krata bi ewa ha na ebese de di kan ya gitum se efri masoye ana eba na efa hyentu bo ho nsem
wadaruma na do and director for resolutions on fair adjustments no yellow to Facebook page of VIP John
na of wadaruma na modia monne aban hyehyɛ me kyerɛ sa GRTC mo nka san hyehyɛ ne ho ana
VIP lo privately owned Registrar General Company registered under the Companies Act and a year into a year more or less a year union biana or say union bia.
It is answer a name paying for Cushiano and come.
Maybe invitation and kind mail a JPRT for any road GTRCC for Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council LACA. They are a private company altogether.
A dear Yenina Swa, a ma a year VIP Joan, no, Moody Pajamo, Shentra Boom.
Why, as you could be our Daroma, Brand, you said the prisons no AC for. There's a baby now, a trick some yet to me, Ashe, Ama, a one of your CST. Now the woman in our could be say, a phrase, March 2025, and a VIP John. Yes, Asante, Adom, yeah, to Tum. Now, at the time, no, transport minister, told us at the free management of VIP John Transport. The director's name, Aquine, and my mene, one other colleague, Yakukushia Warm. The CIA minister, no, the minister, Nsem, say, March 2025, and I buy an what saying, and now would young no be any sosa. Tiama Warm break a club, Busmin Siabi, no moon, dear, warm air. Now, no. Edna medical director for an animal said the young king and Franco July 1, 2025. Name a could be diesel seminal etime echo form a massic a seminal social echo formula. A could say young fast and tomorrow I near Juma beam and ye suspended into and to day by March 2025 and no Edna China Yemen Ashasi. The could be so say. Last time a VIP total on the fair mono, now April 2024 into April 2026, and market exactly 2 years. VIP price no yet me atomo.
Wow, 2 years. I see. Offer Maminas because wanted that confirmation and reasons. And what Timmy said, no we are to Ediama Yakoso, Boma Baso Kase, your wonderful and great service will provide for Yang Ghana this year. We are so grateful. So that's the Cabaret from Paul Manson, General Manager VIP Joan, and Dinko. What it on Sunday, because I said, never for also a private entity. Almost just a GRTC, and I say, but wouldn't say I want to show.
Oh, and none make cancer. You see, capitalist country. In Juma Kobe, no private institutions. So, all two Nadi more. Oh, here will be a permission.
That's a half a lot of things.
Yes, but now, on money be a one who pay be a good one, and a mango put on a brave. Ebia nam Kwana mango be a break up a mango idea. Ujina or two more or sell permission.
Debbie,
Ujina no Bobo and Albertas were tonto. Uko you more in toast boy or 2 more years will be permission.
Say we can regulate some of these.
No, but we are not we are not a socialist country. We are not. We don't regulate prices. We are not into the business of regulating prices. It's a problem. You see, yes, sir. Now you get into a certain area is anti-business. VIP people so much and old guys just Sachi water for
Sachi water.
Why would Sachi water for be announced almost to price more?
A trade minister intervened.
I didn't know announce it. Why should they announce it? If they tell me, Americans have been there are big Sachi water companies, and there are small Sachi water companies. Sachi water be a kitwa be, but could be fear anymore. Kitwa be, over corner we are for 5 minutes. You offer cook the overheads in the operations in your man cost in this rosa. Your big ones are almost no overheads. No more fun the Biblia. Juma say, or no 2 more. Wow, Chochopana will seem Janshi over to me, over to I say a year or 2. But the Omo almost all my so you're 2 5 cities across board. That's a one now, Chochopana who can over to the 7 cities. No,
oh, you are being forced to also be part of the 8 cities.
8 exactly. Meanwhile, there's no point. It's a free market competition. So if Obisu send overheads into so the G15 cities are, but if I 15 cities say, me could be a swa, they are tono 7 cities, no matter me call. That's the problem. We keep making these things say, oh, and are regulated and are own to me saying.
But people will abuse and take advantage.
But people abuse and take advantage. Meaning, body abo, I didn't know.
A very.
What you say?
Yeah.
na da bi mi nam East Legon na mi ko fie mpese o me to me ko chikoko.
Yeah.
Koko 5 bi koko 5 bi senko mo o say we see. Na me ko manim kakra na obi so ate so. Me drive ko akire kakra na me kunya na fofofo na me to na me ko ye. Do anybody come and say oh yeah to body?
So choice.
It's a choice. Insure, people say insure is life. Yes, we will agree. But such a water no. Obiade ne bo. And tisa uko jaso na se we brand we board ya. No to brand foforo.
Wow.
Na said the bottled water there's Belaqua. There is Alive. There is the Vortic.
Ever pure
nyina. Say e binim there's on to bo ni mu a. So beto therefore. It's business competition.
Are we guaranteed of quality?
Quality no mean you na say enye da to be. Let's leave the competition in business to dictate. Ye pay and na obi ntumi say that akabre bi nwa akabre can say omo ye private company. So omo share na omo overheads e wo so. Na omo betumu a omo tum. Obi ko ka obi so na dollar ba from nti obi anti bibi so. Dollar ba from there pa ni ate so. Even a busio can for cry almost spare parts no matter so. Spare parts, the only number one big input of spare parts is two things: the dollar component of the import and the duty. Dollar number for more duty is almost saying they are buying by papa by duty who be. Why is spare parts still expensive? Because the manufacturer says school fees and so.
Another conversation about together, because I think that it should be regulated, because people's mindset in this country are quite dangerous.
If we want to regulate, then let's regulate. If we want to be a socialist country, then let's be a socialist country.